Hello everybody, today we're cooking French dessert, but we're making it in Russian style, so if you're French, please close the video now, this will insult you. Let's start with some cream. Add 150 milliliters of milk, add 2 eggs. Shaky 100 grams of flour. Add vanilla powder. Reload your gun. Oh sorry, this is not an American school. Boil 500 milliliters of milk. Pour it in slowly so the eggs won't curdle. Put about 100 grams of sugar. Put your cream on a low heat and mix it non-stop for about 7 to 9 minutes, like it would attack you if you stop. You can stop when it's thick, but not as thick as mine was too thick. Add butter, 50 grams to be exact. Mix it up again. Put on plastic wrap so it won't crust over. Now let's do the dough. Add water. Add butter. Add 100 grams of butter. Now boil it. While it's boiling, shake 150 grams of flour. When it's boiled, start mixing in the flour. Mix it until it's not sticky anymore. Start mixing in the eggs one by one until the dough gets creamy-like texture. I added too much, usually 3 is enough. And start pouring your dough on the paper. The shape doesn't matter, the taste does. Just do whatever you like. Put it in the oven for 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Then change the temperature from 200 to 180. Don't open the door. If you will, they will collapse like your motivation. Squeeze in the cream. It's supposed to be easy, but I did the cream a bit too thick. So for you, it's supposed to be much more easier. Finally, they're done. Ugly, sweet, and delicious. Subscribe or this eclair will haunt you in your dreams.